Hey guys, Ben here from Velflex. Now it's all hands on deck. As you can see behind us, we're getting ready for the AFL Draft, which is happening next week. Super excited. The AFL Draft we've been involved with for a number of years now. It's where they pick the up and coming players all through the teams for the 2025 season. As you can see behind us, we're using HTV. That's your digital vinyl. And obviously because we've got our DTF in the background, but we're using HTV because we've got the sub-lock on the back of the HTV. We use sub-lock vinyl, and it's going on to sublimated sportswear. Guys, HTV, just like this one here, has a huge role to still play in the mix of heat transfer products and solutions. It was printed on our Mimaki over here, digitally printed. And as you can see, we've got the cutter in the background. A lot of people still use the roll cutters. We're still great for this sort of thing. We've got Adrian here. Now he's weeding them away. Then we've got our lamination where we laminate the app tape over the top, and then we're pre-peeling the back off and cutting them up into their individuals. The beauty of using digital is we get really consistent color because you've got the vinyl film, exceptionally good quality vinyl. It's been made for many, many years now. We're talking going on 20 years where printable vinyl has really been that core product for so long. You get that consistent color. You also get the sub-blocking properties of good quality HTV going on the back of sportswear. So guys, we're getting ready. Truckloads of products got to be produced. Who knows the combination of which players going to which team? We don't know until we're right there on stage, ready to press up the jersey within minutes of him being announced and being able to run up onto stage and be presented with his personalised shirt. So guys, if you're watching or interested, check out the draft. It's next week. We're super excited to get down there to be a part of that, part of the AFL using HTV, printed sub-block for all of that sportswear and clothing.